डेरिवेशन चैप्टर। डेरिवेशन में टॉपिक है आपका सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव। Y is a function of variable x, then first order derivative dy upon dx is equals to f dash x is first order derivative, and again differentiate with respect to x, the d square y upon dx square is equals to f double dash x is second order डेरिवेटिव। इसके एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन आपको बता दिए थे। सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव एक्सरसाइज 7.5 सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव और क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3 एंड मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इफ x is equal to a cos q theta and y is equal to a sin q theta, then find d square y upon dx square is equals to at theta is equals to pi. Question number 5, exercise 7.5. Function x is a function of variable theta and y is a function of variable theta. So x and y are parametric functions. Parameter is theta. Find the second order dy upon dx. So first or find the dy upon dx by parametric functions. So x is equals to a cos q theta. Different if x is a function of variable theta, differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiation of x with respect to theta is dx upon d theta. A is a constant and differentiation of cos q theta dx upon d theta is equals to a is constant or a function of function, differentiation of power x की power n1. So this is a 3 cos square theta and differentiation of cos theta. So dx upon d theta 3 cos square theta, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, and dx upon d theta is equals to multiply minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. Differentiate function x with respect to theta and differentiate function y a sin q theta, differentiation with respect to parameter theta dy upon d theta. A is a constant, for differentiation of sin q theta a 3 sin square theta and differentiation of sin theta dy upon d theta is equals to a to 3a sin square theta, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. dy upon d theta and dx upon d. For finding the dy upon dx, therefore dy upon dx is written as dy upon d theta divided by dx upon d theta. dy upon d theta वैल्यू पुट कर रहे हैं 3a sin square theta dot cos theta divided by dx upon d theta minus 3a cos squared theta dot sin theta. So dy upon dx is equal to 3 से 3 cancel, cos square sin square, this is minus sin theta and cos theta, और sin theta cos theta written as dy upon dx is equal to minus tan theta. Again हमें सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है. Again differentiate with respect to theta, respect to x होगा भाई. तो d square y upon dx square minus differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta और थीटा का डिफरेंशिएशन d theta upon dx. d square y upon dx square is equals to minus sec square theta. वैल्यू d theta upon dx की वैल्यू यहाँ से पुट करेंगे तो ये मल्टीप्लाई 1 upon dx upon d theta. d theta upon dx इधर है 1 upon dx upon d theta minus sec square theta and dx put the value of dx upon d theta upon minus 3a cos square theta sin theta और माइनस माइनस प्लस d स्क्वायर y अपॉन dx स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू sec स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 3a cos स्क्वायर थीटा sin थीटा and d स्क्वायर y अपॉन d थीटा dx स्क्वायर at थीटा is equals to pi by 2 at theta is equals to pi by 4. Put the value of theta sec square pi by 4 upon 3a into cos square pi by 4 and sin pi by 4. So answer d square pi upon dx square at theta is equals to pi by 4. Sec pi by 4 root 2. Sec pi by 4 by root 2 square है और 3a 1 upon root 2 का स्क्वायर and sin pi by 4 की वैल्यू 1 upon root 2. तो d square y upon dx square at pi by 4 is equals to root 2 का स्क्वायर 2 upon 3a into 1 by 2 into root 2. तो ये 2 upon 3a और into 1 upon 2 root 2. ये ऐसे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा 2 to 4 root 2 upon 3. This is answer d square y upon dx square at pi by 4. ये क्वेश्चन 7.5 का सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ d square y upon dx square at cos theta equals to pi by 4.